You followed my advice to not get the Panzer glass for your Samsung S10 Plus. Congratulations. In this video, we are going to take a look at a case from Samsung. This is no ordinary case. This is an LED case. I've got high hopes for this. With a retail price of over 1,000 Rand, this better shine bright like a diamond. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. My name's TJ, and let's get this unboxed. This is the front of the packaging, where you get a view of the case and some text which reads Emotional LED Lighting Effect. This is the back of the packaging, which has more info. It has call and text notifications, as well as being a slim case with good grip. Let's get this opened. The case comes with a small but chunky manual. The inside has a nice, soft, yet grippy texture. You have some embossed branding on the inside of the case. Personally, I am not a fan of cases that have these massive cutouts. I prefer having precise cutouts where only what needs to be accessed is accessible. That way it prevents extra dust and scratches to your device. Let's get the phone installed. Installation is super simple. First impressions, this is not a case you can use face down, let alone with a tempered glass install. As expected, all the buttons are accessible, and with that comes hardly any protection. Also, this is a crazy fingerprint magnet. Onto the LED part of the case, which is probably why you clicked on my video in the first place. Heads up, it looks good. For those that are stuck on features and how to set up the different modes and various options, check out the manual. Yes, in this case I recommend you should read it. There are two main presets. One, you can enable the mood lighting option, which as the name implies adds some subtle lighting even in the fairly lit room. Or you can choose the LED icons option. This allows you to choose from a set of pre-selected images to be displayed on the case. Other options which can be enabled or disabled regardless of the mode selected are Picture Queue and Camera Timer. Picture Queue shows an emoticon when you take a photo using the back camera, and a Camera Timer, as you've guessed it, displays the countdown timer when you're taking a photo. All in all, this case is targeted for people who are looking for something understated yet tech-inspired at the same time. However, if you are someone who cannot stand the sight of fingerprints and needs a case which offers real protection, you should look elsewhere. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm TJ, and I will catch you on the next one.